Hey, Delonte Peterson here with Independent Capital Group. Here at our Banks Avenue property, and we're wrapping it up. And we have like a week to go before we're 100% complete. Now you can see the floors, most of the stuff and extra materials out of here. So we're just putting some finishing touches on everything. Got the sand the floors, cabinets cleaned up well with that gray paint, the black spats. Everything cleaned up nice. Doing some touch-up painting. Laundry room. So now that everything is out of here, the house actually looks much bigger than before. Now, this was our storage room. Now it's the bedroom. You can tell what it looks like. The bathroom, the vanity, the toilet, clean up the tub, get the window right. The master bedroom. Still got the new windows in here, but waiting for those to come in. Tile is about completed, so that's turned out real nice. So we got like a week left before we actually finish everything. Already got the tenant in place, and that's the great thing about these Section 8 houses, especially in Atlanta. Not enough houses to go around, so as soon as we get one ready, we have 2, 3, 4 tenants rushing to us to give us their RTA request for tenant approval, and that's what you get from the tenant. You fill out your portion and you send it into Section 8. So this house here, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. We'll probably get about $1,400, $1,500 a month for it. So bought it for $65, I think. Got about 32,000 in it for rehab. So we had 105,000, or 95 to 100,000, and getting 1,500 a month. Even we get 1,300 a month for a $100,000 investment. It's a no-brainer. So that's why I love the Section 8 game. Because why all these landlords you see in the news are getting beat by tenants, not paying their rent and so forth, and evictions we got a moratorium on evictions, so you can't kick them out. Section 8, still paying every month, so you can't go wrong with that. So until next time, bye.